long-haul flights. They're the ultimate test of endurance and patience, especially when you're sitting in economy class. From cramped seats to restless nights, it's easy to feel trapped in a flying sardine can for hours on end. But what if I told you there are ways to not just survive, but actually enjoy your journey? Whether you're headed to your dream destination or coming back from an epic adventure, this video has you covered. Welcome to Empower Your Journey, where travel meets financial freedom. If you're new here, we share travel hacks, budget-friendly trips, and tips for living your best life on the go. Stay with us until the end, because I'm going to share a game-changing tip that most frequent travelers swear by but rarely reveal. So let's dive in. First things first, let's tackle one of the sneakiest travel challenges: jet lag. Changing time zones can mess with your internal clock, making it hard to adjust when you land. Here's a trick used by savvy travelers. Set your phone to the time zone of your destination as soon as you board. It mentally prepares you for the new schedule, making it easier for your body to adjust. Think of it as a little mind trick to trick jet lag before it tricks you. Another tip is to start adjusting your sleep pattern a few days before your flight. Gradually shift your bedtime by an hour or two to get in sync with your destination's time zone. The more aligned you are before the flight, the less painful the transition will be. Now let's talk seats. Not all economy seats are created equal, and choosing the right one can make or break your flight experience. If you value easy access to the aisle for stretching your legs or quick bathroom breaks, then an aisle seat might be your best bet. But if you're someone who needs their sleep, go for the window. You can rest your head against the wall and won't be disturbed by others getting up. Pro tip: use seat selection tools like Seat Guru to check which seats have extra legroom or avoid ones near restrooms or galleys where it can get noisy. If you're traveling with a companion, consider booking the aisle and window seat. Middle seats are the last to be filled, so you might just end up with the whole row to yourselves. Packing the right essentials can transform your flight experience from unbearable to bearable. Bring a small bag with easy-to-access items like a toothbrush, hand sanitizer, and moisturizer. A fanny pack or small sling bag is perfect for keeping these items handy. Noise-canceling headphones are a must-have for drowning out cabin noise, while a travel pillow and eye mask can help you catch some much-needed rest. Remember to pack a few snacks, as airline food isn't always the best. Opt for protein bars, dried fruits, or nuts to keep your energy up. Don't forget a reusable water bottle that you can fill up after passing security, and a warm layer, like a lightweight jacket or shawl. Airplane cabins can get chilly, and you'll be thankful for the extra warmth. When it comes to clothing, comfort is key. Wear loose-fitting, breathable layers that you can adjust depending on the cabin temperature. Materials like merino wool are perfect because they're breathable and help regulate body temperature. If your legs tend to swell during long flights, consider wearing compression socks. They improve circulation and can help prevent discomfort or even more serious issues like deep vein thrombosis. Staying hydrated isn't just important, it's essential. Did you know that airplane cabins are drier than the Sahara Desert? Yep, you heard that right. So, bring your own water bottle and aim to drink a glass of water every hour. Don't rely on those tiny cups from the flight attendants. By the time they reach you, you'll feel like you could drink the whole cart. As for food, did you know your taste buds go numb at high altitudes? Yep, that's why airplane meals often taste like cardboard. So, are you team airline mystery meat, or do you pack your own snacks? Let me know in the comments. And skip the coffee and alcohol. They'll dehydrate you faster than you think. Stick to lighter snacks like nuts to avoid feeling like you just ate a Thanksgiving dinner in the sky. Sleeping on a plane isn't easy, but it's not impossible. A travel pillow, eye mask, and noise-canceling headphones can work wonders. Think of them as your plane survival kit. Download some calming music or white noise apps to help you drift off. Need a little extra help? Try melatonin or sip some herbal tea. And don't forget an inflatable neck pillow. It's a space saver and your neck will thank you. Lastly, keep yourself entertained. Download shows, podcasts, or books before your flight. The in-flight entertainment system doesn't always have the best options, and it's better to have your own content ready. Make sure your devices are fully charged and pack a portable charger just in case. With the right prep, you'll stay entertained even if the Wi-Fi is spotty. So there you have it. With these tips, you'll not only survive your next long-haul flight, but actually arrive at your destination feeling refreshed. What's your go-to tip for flying long distances? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a fellow traveler. And remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.